Don't eat the eye.
You're the favorite to transfer over.
On yours?
Yeah.
It kind of seemed like I did it. How long did you do your edamame for?
Not long. Is it take it already cooked on the back?
Yeah.
Just like when it's boiling, put it in for like 2 minutes.
Okay. Yeah.
Do you want black and white or color?
I don't mind color. Depends.
Or are blown up?
It's up to you. What do you want?
Oh.
There you go.
Oh, done?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's your mommy, right?
Yeah.
Alright, again, you done? Hey, are you done?
What was that?
The head.
Holy. Dude.
Look at this play on the cotton. Oh, that's funny. She hates the insides.
Why?
I don't know. Good thing I have two, right?
You animal. Eggy. Why are you destroying a poor defenseless raccoon?
Oh, is it food?